Hey, what's up, guys? This is Marwan. I'm gonna start making a small introduction in each video since my channel is very new. This way, if somebody just run across one of my videos, they would know a little bit about me. My name is Marwan. I am a husband, dad, and all the good stuff. I have 2 jobs. I'm very busy, but I find the time to make some videos to help others, and I like to talk about that stuff anyway. I've lost 100 pounds in my journey, almost 100 pounds doing keto, and before doing keto, I was yo-yo dieting. So I have a lot of experience into weight loss and dieting, carb addiction, and being a carbaholic, and stalling, and all the good stuff. Anyway, I'm starting this series that what I want to talk about is not sure what I'm gonna name it exactly, but it's gonna be for people who just want to get started, stay on track on their diet, make healthier choices, keto for beginners, stuff like that. Anyway, or maybe I'll call it keto made simple or weight loss made simple, but not fucking easy, okay? Doesn't mean if it's simple, it's gonna be easy. Anyway, number one. This is episode number 1. I'm gonna try to make the videos a little bit shorter than I usually make them, because the attention span of humans now is very short. If you make a video that is 10 minutes and you don't have all that footage and all that good stuff, people are gonna just fuck this shit. Let me watch the next video. Alright, stay with me, guys. Don't leave. This might be the most important weight loss tip in the world, okay? How do I know the most important tip in the world, okay? It might not be, but to me it is, okay? And it is the foundation of weight loss. So what is this thing? What is this secret thing that's gonna make the fat melt off of you? Anyway, what actually is going to make you lose weight and weight loss, it's not about what you know or how much you know about weight loss or how much you are motivated and all the good stuff. The single important thing it's the foundation of everything else is why you want to lose weight. That question to that answer is what will determine if you will be successful in your weight loss journey or if you will fail, like millions of other people, okay? If you have failed already in your weight loss consecutively, and you probably came up with excuses. Oh, it's just my genetics. I just can't lose weight. That's just me. I don't know. Others are motivated. I'm not motivated. Nobody has the greatest willpower as everybody else. No. These are just fucking excuses. Or, there's a million excuses that you could use. There's some very valid excuses. Some people, oh, I got 3 jobs, I have 4 kids, and I just can't get a chance to eat healthy. No, you can. Whatever your excuse is, yes, you can. Just do it anyway. Even if you have the worst, even if you're fucking homeless, okay? You can still actually be healthy. Because you eat anyway, just instead of making them bad choices, you make them good choices. Anyway, getting back to the subject, why you want to lose weight is the most important, okay? Your reasons. If you have failed before, you probably did it for the wrong reasons. You probably did it because you wanted to lose weight for a boyfriend, girlfriend, significant other, whoever they are. You probably wanted to do it, for example, because you're gonna go on vacation, you're gonna have that beach body and all that good stuff. You want to wear a bikini, you want to whatever. You want to show off your six-pack shirtless during the summer. These fucking reasons do not fucking work. They might work for just a little bit of time, but not for the long term, okay? So any reason that you want to lose weight, that it's not mainly about you, that is not 100% for you, it's not going to help you reach your goal. So what I need you to do is start with a paragraph after this video, okay? Please start with a paragraph, but I need you to make a full page answering the question, why do you want to lose weight, okay? And in my next videos, I will tell you more about how to incorporate why you want to lose weight into the future. You write a full page, but start with a paragraph. So if you're driving, whenever you reach your destination, or pull up by the side of the road safely and write a paragraph why you want to lose weight. Whenever you get home, you have the time, filling out a page. Don't tell me you can't fill out a page. Whenever I was in school and in college and all that good stuff, I've wrote pages and pages on shit that I have zero interest about. Just be creative. Everybody could be creative. Make up stuff. But the tip is, whenever you start answering the question why you want to lose weight, 99% it needs to be about you, okay? I don't want you to write, oh, I want to lose weight for my neighbor. I want to lose weight for my kids. I want to be example for this. You can include them in that late 1% or something, or 5% if you want to give them. But it needs to be mainly about you, okay? Because if you do not do it about you, if you do not love yourself enough, if you do not think yourself important enough, you will not, stay away from the sugar and the carb addiction and all the good stuff. So, again, I have been doing keto, low carbs, for 6 years. Yes, there was cheats and all kinds of shit in between, but things got way better once I gave up the cheats, and I dedicate my success in weight loss to actually be doing it for myself, okay? I've tried before 6 years ago to lose weight, Since I was maybe 10 years old, I've been trying to lose weight. But I have failed constantly because I wasn't doing it for the right reasons. Because some people, they say, they just don't know about keto. They just don't know what works exactly. It's not about knowing what it works. You could, have all the knowledge in the world and not actually apply it. Look at doctors, for example. How many doctors actually smoke? How many doctors actually obese? How many doctors eat junk food? They know it's bad for them. If they know more than anybody out in the world that smoking cigarettes and all that kind of stuff is bad for them, but they still do it anyway. I'm not saying all doctors, so they have the knowledge, but they don't apply it. So having the knowledge does not result in actual application. Having the right reasons why you want to do something is the foundation of everything. Thank you guys. Stay tuned in. Subscribe to this channel. Trust me, you will learn all the tips, all the tricks that I have accumulated during my journey, okay? I don't think the shit that I talk about, others are talking about. Maybe they did mention it, but I mentioned it in a way that could be applicable to your life. And like the video if you think there's anything of value. Comment if you have any questions about anything. And have a great day. I'll see you in the next video. There's gonna be, I don't know how many videos exactly for this series, but I'm gonna make maybe 10 videos or something like that to get somebody get started and become healthier. Thank you.